Have you ever wondered why lean men tend to have higher testosterone levels? Well, in this video, we're going to delve into one of the many factors that are involved in this process, and that is an enzyme called aromatase. Now, aromatase is an enzyme that converts your testosterone to estrogen, and this enzyme is prominent in fat cells, and studies do show that overweight and obese individuals tend to have a higher aromatase activity throughout their body. Now, knowing this knowledge, you can use it to your benefit to lower your body fat in order to improve your testosterone levels. This will allow your body to have a lower testosterone to estrogen conversion, allowing you to have a higher testosterone levels. And we all know higher testosterone level results in an improved muscle mass, improved lean muscle mass, and also increased libido and improved sexual functioning. Trust me, you want to have high testosterone levels. But also it's important to note that there are multiple factors such as your age, your lifestyle, habits such as smoking, drinking, that play a role in your testosterone levels. But knowing all of these, you can combine them all together, have the best habits and lifestyles in order to enhance your testosterone levels. We will delve into other ways to increase your testosterone levels in future videos. Until then, see ya.